Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You act fast, power everything off and remove Airpods and the charging case right away. You should open the case, take out any removable tips, and blot visible moisture with a lint-free cloth so water doesn't migrate further. Once done, hold each Airpod with the speaker facing down and gently shake to dislodge trapped water. Do not insert metal or force air into openings. Make sure to set all parts on an absorbent towel in a dry, shaded spot to begin passive drying. Once surface moisture is gone, you focus on internal drying. Place Airpods and the open case upright in an airtight container with silica gel packs or uncooked rice for 24-48 hours. Silica is faster. Make sure to brush speaker meshes and hinge crevices gently with a dry, soft brush to remove lint or grit dislodged by water. If you need to accelerate drying, use low-watt warm air at about 40 degrees Celsius from a safe distance for short intervals. Avoid high heat that damages batteries. After 24-48 hours, you test carefully. Power on and try one Airpod at a time to detect issues like static, low volume, or intermittent connections. Make sure to charge the case via cable and watch for abnormal heat or charging behavior. Stop immediately if anything feels hot. If audio or pairing is flaky, reset the Airpods and repair to your device. If a pod remains dead or the case won't charge, your key troubleshooting tip is to contact Apple service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.